Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you kind of a second video. We did an initial checkout of this telephone. This is a Snoopy telephone, and he had a broken arm in the original initial checkout video, and this is Clark's telephone from Arizona. And basically we explained in the first video that we were going to repair the linkage for his arm, and we have done that. And so basically what you're going to see here is I explained in the initial video that even if you can find these parts where this arm breaks, a lot of times they'll be cracked even when you buy them as a part. And if you're lucky enough to find someone who has these parts, you can end up ordering them from them or buying them from them, and they'll have stress cracks in them too. So basically what it comes down to is we generally repair these. And so what you're going to see here now is this piece that holds Snoopy's arm has been repaired, and it kind of looks like it's on steroids now. It's a lot thicker, and it's all been repaired. And under normal usage, you know, there should be no problem with this arm at this point. It should never break again under normal circumstances. So that has been repaired. And although Clark wrote a little note to me, like most people do, because I request that they send a piece of paper with all their contact information and return shipping information, he's got a note here that says something to the effect that all that's wrong with this Snoopy telephone is the arm is broke. And in the initial checkout, we basically just went into the arm and we took Snoopy apart so that we could get to all the linkage. And we didn't really test the board. And so what you're going to see here, let me point this out. This telephone doesn't have the network, the older style network that people are usually used to seeing. It has more of the PC board. It was a later model of Snoopy, and it has the PC board with a network on it and everything. And right here you're going to see a hook switch. And there is something else wrong with this telephone. The hook switch is bad, okay? And so you can't get these hook switches really anywhere. We're going to have to take this apart and rebuild it and see how that goes. If not, we're going to have to replace it, either track down an original switch or come up with some type of switch that has the same similar design and you know, create a switch for him. And I'll show you that this switch is bad. And we haven't gotten into this part, although the linkage is repaired now. We're kind of in the situation now where we have to go in and repair this hook switch. And I'm going to show you that real quick. I'm going to go ahead and plug the telephone into the analyzer, and as you can see, it didn't seize the line. But I want to watch, or if you want to watch this, I'll make it seize the line by playing with a switch. See how the switch is bad. And I'm going to set the video down and I'll show you what I'm talking about here. I'm going to try to give you some dial tone. There's dial tone. But if I just hit the switch a little bit, you can probably hear that. So the switch is bad, basically, is what it comes down to. And if we can get the unit to have some dial tone here, try to get that to work. Then we do have a keypad that is working. And I can guarantee you that since the hook switch is bad on the main PC board, that's how Snoopy's arm got broke. Because it gets frustrating when you're trying to get dial tone and you equate everything with in the arm, because the hook switch is connected, the arm is connected to the hook switch. And so that's how his arm probably got broke, because of all the action that was happening on his arm to try to get the telephone to work properly. You can see it sees the line, but if I just rock the switch a little bit, the dial tone goes away. And then at some points you can't even get the keypad to work, but it just does different things, and the switch is bad, and I know that. So now, you know, I'm kind of documenting that for you so you can see what's going on, and we're going to have to go into this switch and repair it. So that's where we stand now with Snoopy, and we're going to do a final checkout video of Snoopy when we finish up working on the switch and getting that straightened out. And then we'll kind of do some final checks on a final video, and we'll kind of go from there. But he's about halfway done now at this point, and we'll get him taken care of, and Snoopy will be happy again. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. And you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.